Well, a major decision on the death penalty in the first state.
Delaware Supreme Court decided the law is unconstitutional. Eyewitness News reporter Jan Carabeo is live in Wilmington with more on what this ruling means. Good morning, Jan.
Brooke and Jim, good morning. Well, this is not a done deal just yet. The state could still appeal, and a spokesperson for the Attorney General's office says the DOJ is now reviewing the decision. Still, opponents of the death penalty are celebrating this as a major victory. In a 148-page opinion, the Delaware Supreme Court has ruled the state's death penalty law unconstitutional.
I was ecstatic.
It's a decision Sally Milbury Steen has been working to achieve for decades now. She founded Delaware Citizens Opposed to the Death Penalty 24 years ago.
Here we are, so you just have to keep on hoping and working and keeping true to your beliefs.
Now the court ruled Delaware's death penalty law unconstitutional after determining it was flawed in two ways. First, it allowed a judge, independently of a jury, to sentence defendants to the death penalty. Delaware was just one of 3 states to allow that. Delaware's law also didn't require juries to be unanimous when recommending the death penalty. The Supreme Court ruled that these 2 items violate a person's 6th Amendment rights.
The 6th Amendment has triumphed that you should have a jury of your peers.
This is where the jurisprudence is heading.
Public defender Santino Cicotti successfully argued the case.
They had a chance to take a step back or take a step forward, and they took a step forward.
The court also says Delaware's death penalty law isn't salvageable. The legislature would have to pass an entirely new law for the death penalty to be an option in the future.
It's up to the state to decide how they want to proceed.
Eyewitness News spoke to many in Wilmington in favor of the decision, but not everyone, even this former inmate, sees it that way.
I believe the individuals that are fully guilty deserve what they get.
Now, there are currently 13 men on Delaware's death row. It's unclear how this decision will impact them, whether it'll be able to be applied retroactively. As for the defendants in cases where the prosecutors are seeking the death penalty, they will have to be recharged. We're reporting live in Wilmington. Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Jim and Brooke, back into you.
Thanks a lot, Jan.